Ngiphekile ngisakhuluma noma Mlambo somnandi kawulesizweni ulutsha mhlawumbe. Guys, njengoba sengishilo-ke ukuthi uma ulala if uyeza lana ufuna ukulala ufuna ubuthongo ebusuku it's 50 rand. Yeah, 50 rand ebusuku uma ufuna ukulala. Ukube uzofuna ukulala amalanga alandelana na or ufuna ukulala nje one day kuphela, so it's 50 rand nje a night uma ufuna ukulala. And then uma uhamba ne-client, let's say uhamba ne-client you want to spend a day rest, kungaba i-70 rand for i-hour. Okay, yeah, 70 rand for i-hour, 50 rand ukulala. Khona lana emasofeni, yes, ayikho enye indawo ngizolala nami khona la endlini yami emasofeni. Uma uvuka ekuseni ulungisa la ozolele khona, uzithengela ukudla kwakho, uyahamba emsebenzini. Perhaps uyabuya futhi ntambama, it's the same routine again. Uyalala ubhadala i-50 rand before ulala. Before nje angifuni iy'tori manje, ngisiza umuntu ozofuna ukusizeka because angeke usuke way far away and then u-expect ukuthi uzophazamisa abantu ey'ndlini zabo for indawo yokulala. Understand that. So sinikeza accommodation because you're stranded, you don't have a place to sleep and it's not safe for everyone outside at night uma uyintombazane unganandawo yokulala. So sizonisiza ngendawo yokulala, but please sebenzisanani nathi. Singathi uma senisiza ngey'ndawo zethu zokulala nizosidisturba la silele khona. Kumele sisize wena, but at the end wena awukwazi ukuthi uvumele ukuthi sikusize. You have to pay. There's nothing for free, there's nothing for mahala. So 50 rand a night, if you are willing to come and have a rest, ukuthi ulale ekuseni uvuke fresh, 50 rand a night ukulala. And then ke sizokhuluma-ke ukuthi ma ukuthi mhlambe ufuna ukuhlala la ekhaya uyintombazane, mhlambe you're staying far away, let's say uthi nje no, I want to spend i-weekend lana, so sizokhulumisana-ke lapho. But nje i-night yami it's 50 rand, strictly 50 rand. Why kumele sikhulumisane? Because la ekhaya sekunamanzi, so ekuseni vele obvious uzofuna ukuwasha, uzofuna ukugeza, you understand? Lapho-ke sesizokhulumisana ukuthi okay, ungangipha kangaka since kunamanzi la ekhaya ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ugeze ube clean, uhambe uye emsebenzini uyintombazane, uzinakekele, uzithande. So sizonisiza only 50 rand a night ukulala. Angifuni iy'tori, angifuni uze nabangani ungitshela ukuthi ubani uthini. Ngifuna imali yami nje upfront before ngithi ngivula umnyango wami, 50 rand ukulala. And strictly no drugs. Angifuni ama-drugs, angibhemi ma-drugs and I'll never allow ama-drugs emzini wami. That's it. So ngizokusiza-ke nge-accommodation yokuthi ulale uvuke ufresh ekuseni uhambe emsebenzini. Uma ukuthi ufuna ukuziphinda-phinda uzosolokhu ubhadala wona ama-50 rand wokulala khona la kwami. Ngoba angeke ngikhathele ukuthi uma ngilele ebusuku ngigogodele ebusuku kumele manje ningidisturbe ngizilalele ngephisi. Angikhumbuli ngigogodela umuntu emizini yabo ngicela ukulala. But-ke nginenzela i-favor ngokuthi ngithi 50 rand ukulala because kusho ukuthi anifuni ukungibona ngilele, ngifuna ukuthi ngigadane nani, nginigade for ama-50 rand. So okay, I'm charging my own price. Okay la, stop it. I'm charging my own price, which is gonna be 50 rand ukuze ngilale ngepeace. Ngoba kusho ukuthi phela kumele ngigadane nani. You understand? Thokozani. Oh, fuck. Since